if you take action on this video, you will be sitting on 13x return on investment right now. And this is the 3 video I made right here. I give you step-by-step guide like how to join, on how to get this token spotlight ticket, on how to participate in this token sales. So I give you 3 step-by-step on how to get this token. So right now this token is being traded on marketplace right now. So for instance, this token was offered on the ICO at 10 cents. So the total supply of this token was like, the total supply of token they offer on this token says was 2.25% of this token, and we were able to buy at this price. Check right now, this price, this token is trading at $1.33. So you'll be sitting on 13x return on investment. And congrats if take action on the video I made and you are in profit already. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell and like the video, and to just support my channel. Quick price prediction on Sui token right now. The first thing you need to see, or you need to watch out on with cryptocurrency or any coin, is check the circulating supply. If the circulating supply is less, that means there will be more token to release on the market. And with that being said, you just have to go to their Telegram or anywhere you can find the release of this token information. So the more this token is being released in the circulating supply, the more this token will be going down, unless if this token have there is demand for this token, that's when this token will be going up in value. But right now, if you were able to check the you're able to check the lockup period of this token, or with the VC and the team, everything is still like 5 months to this time or 3 months to this time. Yes, right now you cannot trade this token right now as short time trade. So you don't have to trade this long times, like you want to buy this and you want to hold this. And as you can see right here, this token started trading at $1.34. So I think this were it were like around $5 or something like that on various exchange. But once this list on coin market cap, and this where this price is, that recording of this price. And right now you see this token spike up, down, and it's being traded sideways again. I expect this price to continue trading sideways or even go down further, because a lot of people who is already in profit right now, we want to sell their token unless they have some other reason not to sell this. And right now this token is trading sideways, and you can just watch this price trade sideways for like 5 days or 2 days, and you just have to watch closely. And if this price token drop a little bit, maybe 5% or 10%, and then that's when this token will reverse. That's how various like new token normally do, or unless there is problem, there is problem with overall crypto, like crypto is going down and the new token can follow also. If the market condition is okay with a little of drop, and if you trade, this token is going to go up in value, which is max supply of this coin is 10 billion. So that's just 10% and 5% of the coin. So this is the best chance for this token to go up in short time, and you can capitalize on this kind of move. And that's what I think this price action might go. And I think this can go over to this previous all-time high around there, and maybe go to $22 per Sui token. That's 50% on return on investment. Like you can do 100% on return on investment with this kind of set up right now, there is no much can do, or there is no much and artistry for you to be able to analyze like this token can go this, it can do that. So, but right now, this is just the probability that can happen with this tokens, with this suit token right there, and just have to watch closely with this token release of this coin, and that's all you should just have to watch out if you want to trade this token. And that's all I have for you in this video. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.